bought something. I got a delivery. I don't order anything, but Beats by Trisha something. I'm out. I have patience. I don't want to spoil the bag. But Beats by Trisha. If you're is not YouTuber, I know you're expecting to give a sponsorship. I had to let that go because it occurred to me to let you have them instead. So this is me celebrating you. It's your consistency for me. How you always show up with this YouTube thing. Even with the most little resources. It's how you've grown and become better. The world's watching. Keep it up, Patricia. Oh my God. Are you kidding me? Jeez. Oh my God. This is so sweet. Wait. Oh, it's not even my birthday, you guys. Oh God, show me. Even though I'm not looking so good, but you guys, oh my God, Patricia. Oh, thank you. So swollen my face. Anyhow, episode. Good morning and welcome to a new vlog. Yep, I actually started the vlog already, but I'm just talking to you guys, like introducing guys. Anyhow, welcome to a new vlog. Today is a new day. It's like 7 a.m. and I'm out of the house. I'm going to the bank. I need to do something, and I'm going to the hospital. I need to do an eye test and get another glasses. But my face looks so swollen. What's going on? I'm not pregnant. Come on, meet my sister. It's been a while since you guys saw her, right? Can you say hi? At least just be respectful. So yeah, guys, let's go. Hi guys, welcome to a new vlog. I'm in the market. I'm sure the amount of faces that will be looking at me. And right now I look better. When I started the vlog earlier, my face was swollen, so I'll start again. Welcome to a new vlog. I'm just coming from the bank, you guys. I've been here since 8 or a few minutes past 8. So what's the time? 11:23. That's when I'm leaving the bank. And what did I go there to? What I went there to do is not up to 5 minutes. What I went there to do is not up to 5 minutes. Anyhow, right now I'm going to the hospital. I want to do an eye test. I want to do an eye test, and I need a new glass. I want to get new glasses, but I won't get that today. I'll just do the eye test today. Yep. My sister is in front, but I don't know if she wants to show. But yeah, welcome to a new vlog. I've not spoken since this vlog started. This vlog has started a long time. Started since. So yeah, let's go. Yes, I tend to get frames, but these frames are expensive. This is not the one I'm picking. How do I?